A Hamiltonian circuit exists if a vertex can be visited once and only once before going back to the start. So in 2.3a, Hamiltonian circuit starting at A, and there will be a few alternatives here. I can go A to B to C to E to D and back to A. Now, on the other hand, a Hamiltonian path means that I pass every edge once and once only on my way from A through to C. There's quite a few ways of doing that. This is but one. Now, before you continue on, make sure that you write down in letters both the circuit, Hamiltonian circuit, and the Hamiltonian path that you took. A Hamiltonian circuit starting and finishing at A. There's quite a few alternatives here. It's going to go around the outside of the rectangle. Write down what you've done. Now, we can't do a Hamiltonian circuit for B because E is degree 3, as is D. All the other ones are of an even degree, so it is possible to perform a Hamiltonian path. Now, for C, as E and D are both of an odd degree, what we can do is to start either of them and we'll end up at the other one, but not starting and finishing at either E or starting and finishing at either D. For D, there's quite clearly quite a few Hamiltonian paths. I'll just illustrate one. Hamiltonian path passes through each vertex once and once only, starts at the designated vertex, finishes at the other, having passed all the other ones. In a similar way, you can go ahead and find a Hamiltonian path from G to B. So tracking one from G to B, Hamiltonian circuit starts at a vertex and passes through each vertex once and once only. A Hamiltonian circuit, on the other hand, like Eulerian circuit, passes each path once and once only, starting and finishing at the same vertex. In each of the following scenarios presented, you're asked to consider it's an Eulerian path, Eulerian circuit, Hamiltonian path, or Hamiltonian circuit. Now, for the street sweeper, I'm assuming that he starts and finishes at the depot, so that would be an Eulerian circuit. On a warm summer's day, an ice cream vendor visits each city park before returning home. That would be Hamiltonian. Parks representing edges. The postman picking up letters from depot, delivering along every road. Once we start seeing roads, once and once only, or minimum as we can, we're looking up a Eulerian circuit. The orienteer, best route from a starting point through the bush, collecting 6 checkpoints before returning. We're looking at a Hamiltonian circuit. History tour starts at major attraction, visits all other significant ones before finishing at a different point. That would be a Hamiltonian path because the sites representing the edges in that instance